Okay, so I've made a pretty big headway with the whole thing. Um, so, newer VCO up here, old VCO, which hopefully in the next 2 weeks is going to get replaced by a permanent soldered PCB. This is a DC mixer. Right now I have it set up for 2 inputs. I don't think it's quite right, but it's far better than just the quote-unquote passive mixing I was attempting before by just running the 2 lines from the VCOs through resistors into the output here. It actually uses an op amp, and it's a circuit I found just online. The big step here is that I have Arduino control, and it's pretty basic right now what I'm doing, but it's far better than just twisting the knobs. So let's set this here, turn this up. So what this is doing right now is there's 2 outputs on the Arduino that are running into the voltage control inputs on the VCOs, and they're just duplicated right now. But because these things are so imprecise the way I've built them, there's so much phase differences that they have. So what's happening is every 400 milliseconds right now, this is stepping through, it's basically making a big jump in the voltage. I don't know exactly what it is. The math doesn't check out with what I was expecting, so I gotta kind of play with it. But I mean, I actually have something musical now, and I can play with the tune knobs on the VCOs to get some weird sounds. And then I can also change the rate at what this is cycling. Let's bump this out a little further. I kind of have this swooping thing too that doesn't quite work the way I expect it to, but it just like dies out instead of fading the way I would expect it to. Let's see what just that fade down isolated sounds like. Figure out what's wrong with it. Fun things too, like get it to go in 7. Right now it's running in 6, kind of. Actually, let's not do 1 on there. Let's start the rise 1 earlier. Wow, that's actually pretty close. They need to be out of phase to get that oscillation that makes it sound a little more musical. of transistors on both boards are supposed to be glued together, and for thermal coupling so that they raise temperature or drop temperature together. But it's kind of cool because you can just breathe on them and you'll get different sounds. Just heating them up. If I took the soldering iron and put them right there, they'd probably go crazy. We can do big, long changes too.